Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick tutorial video. I've been seeing a lot of people don't know how to charge their bread, and so I basically just wanted to show you guys how to do that, in case you can't. So to start off, you're going to need any USB-C or micro USB charger. I believe Lightning works as well, but I have not fact-checked that. And any standard wall plug will do. You don't even need a wall plug. You can use USB just straight in from your computer, or you can also just, if you have one of the car adapters, you can charge it in your car as well. But I'm going to be using a wall plug with a micro USB because not everybody's fortunate enough to afford USB-C, so I'm going to be doing it with your standard micro USB. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your wall plug, or whichever plug you're using, and plug it into its electrical socket, just like that. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is take your charger and basically plug it into anywhere on the bottom of your bread. So I'll just plug it in right here. And now your bread is charging. So, yeah. I hope that helps. Maybe leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.